Let's see numbers in Python. There are three numeric types in Python: integer, float, complex. Variables of numeric types are created when you assign a value to them. Let's see an example. So we will type x equal to 1, 2, 3, and if we check type of x, so pause the video and think about it. What should be the answer? So it will integer, because 1, 2, 3 is an integer number, so it will print integer. Let's see 1, 2 minus 1, 2 0. So what should be the output? It should also be integer number, because minus 120 is also an integer number. Let's see another example. Minus what are it? 120.0. So now let's see what should be the type of this. Pause the video and think about it. What should be the output? And this is float, because 120.0 is a float number and it has one decimal point. So let's change the value of this to 120.98. This is also a float number. Let's imagine it minus 120, and what should be the output? This is also a float number. Let's see another example. Let's say 10e2. Now think about it. What should be the type of this number? This is also a float number. Why? Because this is, if we print this 10e2, so it is printing 1000.0, because mm, float can also be scientific numbers with an e to indicate the power of 10. So here e is indicating the power of 10. It is indicating 10 raised to power 2. So this is printing 1000. So let's see another example. Type of 3e3. So what should be the output? Float, and if you want to print 3e3, it will print 3000. Now let's see another example. Mm, X equal to 3 plus j. So x equal to this. J is not defined. It is saying j is not defined. Let's see, 3 is equal to x equal to 3 plus 1j, and it is returning. It is not returning an error. Now let's see type of x, and it is now complex. Let's see what should be the output now. 1j. It is also type of j. J is not defined, because now it is assuming it as a variable. When we are using 3 plus j, it is assuming it as variable, so it is saying not defined. And if we are typing type of j, it is also assuming it as a variable. So if we want to make it complex, we need to just write a number, numeric value before it, like 3 plus 5j. It is also a complex number. So can we convert one type to another type? Yeah, we can convert integer 120.0. Okay, 120.0. If we want to convert it into an integer, and it will convert it. So can we convert 120 into float? Let's try this. 120. Yes, it can. Can we convert float into complex? Let integer into complex. Let's try with integer. Complex. Yes, we can convert it. Can we convert float into complex? Yes, we can convert. Can we convert complex number into integer number? Just pause the video and think about it. Can we convert this number into integer number? No, we can't convert complex to integer because it is a type error. So in Python, we cannot convert complex to integer. This is a rule in Python.